Now, what do you need on a super hot day? Lemonade. But this is kicking it up a notch. We are doing blueberry lemonade. We went blueberry picking in our Abelito and Abelita's house. That's Grandpa and Grandma's house in upstate New York. They have blueberry bushes that grow wild and delicious. They're not that big, but they're super, super delicious with no pesticides or nothing, just natural growth. As you can see, I just finished making some lemon blueberry cake with Dylan, and now I'm gonna make some lemonade because we're gonna hit the pool because it's super, super hot. And it's simple. This is my lemonade recipe that I use with anything. You can use any fruit, but because we have tons and tons of blueberries, that's what we're gonna do. I love this Santa Cruz organic pure lemon juice. And don't mind my nails, I've been doing a lot of yard work. And then I'll use this agave that I get at Costco. And to clean my blueberries, yes. If you want the info on this, please message me. I can give you the hookup. This is what I clean all my vegetables, and it actually keeps them fresher longer and from going bad. So look at all the gunky stuff. Eek. So this is about 2 cups of blueberries. You're gonna need your blender, and I'm just gonna blend the blueberries in here with water. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna blend it. You might need to add more water later on, but we're just gonna start with this. Okay, so here it is. If you want it a little bit like finer, if you don't want all the little bits in there, you can put a cheesecloth or anything to just drain it. You can either do this one, this type, or this kind. Okay, so here you go. See, some of that stuff won't go in there if you don't want it super like pulpy stuff. And of course, I'm gonna add more water because it's really, really concentrated right now. So about a 1/4 cup, you can start with that. And then it's really pretty much just kind of to taste. I always put a 1/4 cup of the agave, but again, you might like it sweeter, you might like it more bitter. Okay, so I added more water. I did have a little taste. It does need, I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So that's 1/2 cup altogether. And some more sweet. So again, it's just taste, depending also on how sweet your blueberries are as well. So refreshing and delicious. I hope you try this recipe this summer to stay nice and cool.